The Trump brand is facing growing backlash across the globe, and the controversy is escalating fast. From Albania to Saudi Arabia, from Australia to Georgia, protests are erupting, and the criticism accuse Trump linked business ventures of the putting up profit ahead of the local communication and the environmental concern. We take a closer look at the why thousands of people are taking to the street, why major developments project connected to the Trump family and the facing freeze opposition, and why this international controversy is becoming impossible to ignore. Hello everyone, I am Dildar, and today we are looking at the growing controversy surrounding several international developments projects linked to members of the Trump family and the political debate that has emerged around them. In recent weeks, large demonstrations have been reported in the multiple countries, particularly in Albania, where critics have raised concern about the proposed luxury developments project associated with Jared Kushner and the Ivanka Trump. Protesters argued that the project could affect environmentally sensitive areas and have called for greater transparency regarding the approval process. The center of the controversy is a southern island, and undeveloped island is located in the Mediterranean. The island is known for its natural beauty, wildlife, and historical significance. Environmental activities and opposition groups claim that large-scale developments could threaten the sea ecosystem and unique characters. Thousands of demonstrators have gathered in Albania to voice their opposition. Protest organizations argue that the island should remain protected and demanding answers from government officials regarding permits, environmental reviews, and the decision-making process behind the proposed investment. Albanian Prime Minister Edi Rama has strongly rejected accusations that the government is handing over protected land, engaging in the improper conduct. In publicly interviews, Rama has stated that many of the claims circulating online are misleading and that no final project has been approved. According to him, environmental assessments and planning reviews are still ongoing. The controversy intensified after Albania anti-corruption authorities confirmed that certain aspects related to land ownership and development rights were under investigation. Officials have emphasized that the inquiry is focused on legal and procedural matters and does not automatically imply wrongdoing by investors involved in the project. Meanwhile, comments made by Ivanka Trump and Jared Kushner about discovering an island during a Mediterranean trip have drawn significant public attention. The couple has described the location as a unique and beautiful destination with major tourism potential. Supporters of the project argue that responsible developments could bring jobs, investment, and economic growth to the region. However, critics remain unconvinced. They argue that luxury developments primarily benefit wealthy investors while placing environmental and cultural resources at risk. The debate has become one of the most discussed political issues in Albania, has attracted international media coverage. Beyond Albania, similar controversies have emerged around Trump-branded or Trump-linked developments proposals in other countries. Reports have highlighted publicly opposition projects in Serbia, Georgia, and Australia, In some cases, developers have reportedly reconsidered or altered plans following public criticism and the political pressure. The issue has also expanded into broader political debate in the United States. Some lawmakers have questioned whether business interests connected to individuals close to President Donald Trump could create potential conflicts over interest in international affairs. During congressional hearing, Secretary of State Marco Rubio was asked about the role played by Jared Kushner and other advisors in the diplomatic discussion and business-related matters. Rubio defended those involved, saying he had not personally seen evidence suggesting that decisions were being made for private financial gain. Critics, however, continue to call for greater transparency regarding foreign investments, business relationships, and international negotiations. As the protests continue and investigations move forward, the future of these development projects remain uncertain. Supporters view them as opportunities for economic growth, while opponents see them as example of political influence intersecting with private business interest. For now, the debate is far from over. Government, investor, environmental group and local communication will all play a role in determining what happens next. Reporting for you, I am Dildar. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching and like my video, subscribe my channel.